Letendre here. I just wanted to talk to you guys in this video about staying focused at one way of getting out to people. I've learned from my sponsor and from some other people that if you stay focused at one way of getting out to people and you master that and then go on to the next thing instead of like trying all the other new ways of getting out to people or old ways, I find a lot of times when I see people coming in to try to start their own online business, they come in and they get overwhelmed because there's so many different avenues to get out to people. And but I say stay focused at one way of getting out to people. If it's YouTube, make videos every day. Try to make videos. You don't have to do them every day, but try to make videos and keep doing it. Keep doing it repetitively. When I first started back in 2016 on my YouTube channel, I felt a little uneasy at first, but the more I did it and the more I pushed myself to keep making videos, the easier it made. The easier it was for me to make videos. And now it's my number one favorite way of getting out to people because it's personal. I'm talking to you in my videos, and I can get my message across a lot easier than just posting on Facebook. But doesn't mean posting on Facebook isn't effective either. You can do that as well, or any other social media as well. But what I like about YouTube is this: you get to see me. I'm branding myself, and I can tell you guys how I feel about certain things and different things like that. But also, so stick to one way of getting out to people, and you'll find that once you master one way of getting out to people, and then you move on to the next thing, that's the best way to learn. Don't do it all at once. You're going to get overwhelmed, and you're going to get overworked, and all kinds of stuff like that. And most people are just going to get so overwhelmed, and they're just going to quit. To me, quitting isn't in my vocabulary. I don't quit. I'm a hustler. I hustle. I keep moving forward. I won't let anybody affect me. And because I know this year I'm going to really, really build up my business more than I've ever done before, because I'm letting go of all my hang-ups. I'm letting go of all my fears. I'm letting go of everything. I'm going to succeed in this. And I want to help you guys succeed too by following my example. That's the best way I can ever teach anyone. I can't handhold every single person I bring into every opportunity. I do make myself accessible. I leave my phone number inside the sales page of my opportunity below. If you scroll all the way down to the sales page after you get through my introductory video, you'll find all my information right there at the bottom of the page. I also have my information also in the description below. But yeah, so if you really push yourself and you master and you stay focused at one way of getting out to people, it will really help your business. And like I said too, get over all your fears and hang-ups. I know there's going to be some, and for part of the time I've been doing this close to 6 years now, and for a good portion of that 6 years I was being held back. I did have some things that I really were holding me back. Like, what are people going to think on my timeline when I start posting all this stuff? They're going to think I'm spamming and all that stuff. You know what? If it gets my message out there to people that really want to join my business and really want to try to make a difference in their lives, then for me, it's worth it. I don't care if people want to defriend me on Facebook because of that, then so be it. It doesn't mean I don't like them anymore or whatever. I am focused at bringing real change to my life, and no one's going to stop that from happening. So, like I said in the beginning, stay focused at one way of getting out to people, and you'll find that it'll be a lot easier than going at every avenue of getting out to people, whether it's social media, Facebook, YouTube. Some people do a lot of paid advertising. If you're doing that, then focus at learning how to do that. Learn how to do good email copy. In Power Lead System, I'll actually make a video on this. There's actually a video series on how to do email copy and stuff like that. So we have a full training section in Power Lead System as well. And so that's all I'm going to say in this video, guys. I really hope this year is going to be a great year for you, whether you join me or not. With whatever it is that you're pursuing, stay motivated, stay focused, and just keep moving forward. And the ones that succeed are the ones that work the hardest. They're the ones that believe in themselves. They're the ones that aren't swayed by public opinion of them. If they fail, they get back up and keep moving forward. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, make sure you liked it, hit the like button, and leave a comment below if you want to. And also hit the subscribe button right below this video. Whenever you hit the subscribe button, a little notification bell will pop up. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when I put up new content. So I hope you guys loved this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.